In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to download code from Replit AI on PC. By the end, you'll have a clean zip file of your project saved to your computer, ready to open in your favorite code editor or share with teammates. Start by opening your web browser and heading to replit.com. If you aren't signed in yet, log into your account so you can access your workspace. Once you're on the Replit homepage, you'll see your projects listed. Click the project you want to download. If you have a lot of projects, use the search bar or filters to find it quickly. Give the page a moment to load. You should land inside the editor for that specific project. If the left sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the files area. Look for the panel expand icon near the upper left side of the editor. Clicking it will open the sidebar where your file tree lives. If your sidebar is already visible, you're all set. Now in the left panel, select the file tree. This is the section that shows your project's folders and files, starting from the project root. It's helpful to glance through the list so you know what will be included in your download. Next, find the three-dot menu within the Files panel. It's typically located in the top right corner of the Files area. Clicking this menu opens a list of actions that apply to your project files. From that menu, choose Download as Zip. Replit will bundle the contents of your file tree and start preparing the archive. Depending on the size of your project and your internet connection, this may take a few seconds. Your browser will either save the zip automatically to your Downloads folder or ask where you'd like to save it. Keep the file name as is so you can recognize it later. If you plan to use the code locally, extract the zip on your PC and open the folder in your code editor. That will preserve the original project structure. A couple of tips as you do this: make sure you have the necessary permissions if it's a shared